Functions of the pressure group. What kind of functions can exercised by the pressure groups? Pressure groups always provide support to the minorities. Where there is agitations, movements going on in a society, in this movement, they will give support, moral support and direct support to the minorities to strengthen their agitation and to fill their demands by the pressure groups. So that is one of the important function exercised by the pressure group. So to provide support to the minorities. So whoever they are agitating for their rights, for their demands, in this movement pressure groups they express their grief and their support to achieve their demands. So that is one of the important feature of the pressure groups. Creating a connection between government and common public. Creating a connection between the government and common public. That is also one of the important feature of the government pressure group. So creating connection. Pressure groups will create connection between the government and people. Government will not approach people whatever problems, issues going on in general public. Pressure groups immediately approach to the general public and they will know original information. They will gather original information and facts gather from the general public. So pressure groups playing an important role. Today no government is able to take decisions, no government is able to take to make new policies without consultation of the pressure groups. So whatever policy made by the government, whatever law made by the government, and whatever excasia new GO issued by the government, initially they will consider pressure groups and whatever demands are there and which is the too needy for the people, that was considered by the government. Then it will make them as policies, it will make them as government orders by the governments. So no government is able to exercise their authorities, their functions without pressurized by the pressure groups. So at the same time pressure groups they are acting connection between the general public and government, like media. They are acting and force government to participate social causes. Whatever social problem like discrimination, gender inequality and social problems, social evils, poverty, illiteracy, unemployment, terrorism, these are social problems. Non-governmental organizations or pressure groups, they fought against them, such issues, and these issues will be referred to the government and they will make them as policies. By the government. Force government to participate social causes. And pressure groups, they will put pressure on the ruling government to participate on the social causes, to suppress, to make solutions, to find out solutions to the social causes, and remove dictatorship by pressure group. That is also one of the important function of the pressure group. Remove dictatorship. If there is no pressure groups in the world, no one can raise questions against the government. So automatically they will move forward, they will go for dictatorship without pressure groups. So pressure groups, they will agitate against the government, against the dictatorship, monarchical attitude, aristocratical attitude. So that is against to democracy. So pressure groups demand against the government, their dictatorship. So that that is one of the important function. So democratic system can be successful by the pressure groups. So they're raising questions against the government and collect facts and information. Pressure groups always collect original information, facts, whatever problem, issues raised in a society. So what is originality? What is original information? Who are the sufferers? That was collected by the pressure groups. These kind of responsibilities, functions are done by the pressure groups.